Going to do this?
Yeah,
Just said half 5.
We're moving into position now.
Are you okay?
So we can get ahead of everybody else.
So you're moving down where they're all meeting there?
It'll be down there
No,
somewhere.
he's just gone that way. He's gone that way.
Why is he going? It's that way.
I know he's gone that way.
Well, that's the way. It was down the hill last year, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was down the hill. Yeah, I don't know what.
Is anybody down there? No.
What? So the charger's just gone.
He's gone
that way.
Yeah, he went that way.
It was down the hill, wasn't
I think he's gone down. He's gone the wrong.
Oh god. Yeah, he's gone that way. He's over. I've just seen him go that way.
Why has he gone that way?
Unless they've done a new route, we're not on it that way.
I don't know. Nobody's told us.
And we can't go down there and get stuck because Gary's going to follow us, isn't he? There's people down there, I'm guessing.
Seals.
Looking good.
Yeah.
Oh, very good.
When we catch you on track, I'll be back.
Gary's rave light is on.
So I saw him come down this way with his lights on.
Well, he can only go up there, can't he? There's an entrance up there.
Because you're going through the pits then, aren't you?
Yeah, that's the only other entrance.
Really?
We're just going to have to speak to someone, whoever stops us.
Are you sure?
I'm not sure of anything.
Oh, this is the pits. You can't go in the pits. You cannot go in the pits.
But I need a steward. There's no fucking stewards about. What are you meant to do?
Yeah, I don't know this.
I don't fucking know where to go.
I'm going to get out. I'm going to see if I can ask.
Just tell Gary we're fucking confused, because he's probably confused at us being confused.
Go and have a mooch if I can see the police squad. He's parked down there. They're both there. Just past that white golf buggy, they're down there. They've just parked up. They're not in a line. They've just parked it.
What the fuck?
So I don't know.
Did you find a steward?
No, that's what I just spoke to them too.
Doesn't seem right.
It's coming up now, so.
They don't tell us anything. It's chaos.
Just down there, there's a day van in our car. He said just line up behind it.
Is that the right place to be?
That's where the marshals say. Yeah, the guys
Right.
who are forming the cars up for races, they say, you know, that brown van's. It said he's waiting. He's in the parade.
Right.
But there's nobody else tips up yet.
So there's just a lot of confusion because last year it was a different place we went.
Yeah. Because I said it definitely. He said yeah. We said just drive down here, go down that aisle, turn around and come back. There's a lot of people down there. So
Right.
he said just be careful when you go down. There's a lot of pedestrians. So
I'll just try and park next to you.
Yeah.
What's the siren?
2-6. 7th place is car number 3 across Marshal. In 8th place it is car Parker. In 10th place it is number 9 Oulton. So you
guys going through there in a minute, are you?
We'll go out on track, yeah.
You are?
Got a
Yeah.
siren?
Yeah.
Oh, stick it on.
I'd love to, but somebody always comes out in a bloody orange vest and says no.
No. I should drive that.
Yes, see what I mean? See what I mean?
Oh, really?
Fucking
This is while it's in a live paddock, that's all.
right.
And if you're looking for the parade hat,
Yeah.
go from 10th field.
We told them that last year, the team.
You could have got that. Got what left?
Say,
The guys in this one.
27th field.
Knew it.
They're not very old, are they?
So after all that messing about, we're in the wrong place. Unbelievable.
Right, so we've got to move again now.
Yeah.
Right. Go on, I'll just walk.
Do you want to tell?
Tell Gary.
Yeah.
Tell Gary. Fuck them, they got us here.
Yeah.
That's right. There's still plenty going on here today. We've got one more actual race which is going to be our final championship night. So really looking forward to actually having the opportunity to see how we're going to build it up, raise the expectation there. But yeah, we look forward to that when we get there. Of course, after that, I can really see actually the cars starting to form up in the paddock.
Hey, are you going out on track?
Are
you going out on track? Yeah, we gotta go up here.
So, Jack,
We gotta go up here.
I can't do that. I can't do that. Safety car picture.
Have you heard the news?
Oh,
It
no.
is the same place as last year. It's
Oh.
that middle field.
Right.
Yeah, they're all, that's where the trucks have followed us, so.
Right.
I know.
We'll come down.
Yeah. Go on, I'll just follow you.
They were convinced it was a 2-minute penalty, not a pit stop, not a 2.5. Yeah, because it was only 2 seconds over. Yeah.
Why don't you tell us where to go? What the fuck's going on?
There's no need for you to. If you read the parade lap information sheet that's been sent out.
I did, yeah.
Yeah. What does it say?
A steward told us to go over there, mate.
No. The stewards, what they tell you to do is to wait in your car and wait for direction. That's what the parade lap information.
Steward told us to go over
I
there,
understand.
mate. And now look at what's going on here.
No. Listen.
Right, I'm listening.
Where you parked over there.
Yes.
And did a steward in high vis come over to you and tell you, okay, time to go to the parade?
No, he told the other guy.
The other guy.
Yeah.
Right. And what this
guy here.
This guy here.
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. Right. Turn into here.
Yeah.
All right. Park up and wait because the next race hasn't even started yet.
Because we were told 5:30 be over there. That's all I knew.
Right. What's the time? It's 5:15.
Yeah, we want to be at the start though, mate. We did it last year.
Right. And last year, how did
how
did you go on last year?
Over there.
Right. Okay. So
No, I get that, but things change, don't they? So how am I meant to know?
Buddy.
What? What?
you read the parade information sheet.
No, I'm saying I did before I came out, and
So
I've
what
done
does
this
it say
before.
to do in that parade information sheet?
Go over there.
Wait by your vehicle until told to move.
But you know, when people tell us something different, mate. The shit here. I mean, really, we should be escorted around the site when there's people walking about.
We try to, but you keep moving around.
No, there's nobody there, mate. There's we're trying to find out.
There isn't, but we haven't got 300-400 marshals to stand in front of every single vehicle. So we tell every vehicle, please, just wait for a marshal to come to you to move you. And that's very clear in the parade information sheet. Okay? Is that fair enough to say? Yeah? Is that fair enough? Because you've read it.
I read it, yeah.
And in it, does it say that?
That's what I'd go off if I wasn't told different.
Right, okay, fair enough. Right.
So there's...
Okay, just follow me in here. Park up, turn it off.
Yes, we're stopping. Just don't. So you'll get under his. You'll just listen. Just listen.
He's really beginning to piss me off.
But just don't. Let me answer him.
He thinks he's a fucking sheriff, honestly.
Just don't.
Look at him, but
just don't. Because you'll just feed into him. Don't. Just don't. The more he sees it winds you up, the more he'll do it. Go straight. Go straight. He's going, he's here, so.
he's doing this on purpose.
No, that's what I mean, so just don't matter.
It's alright, you've got plenty of room. Right, that's perfect. You want to stop moving now for me, please? Thank you.
Great.